You're watching DDS TV. Before you spam the comments about this being something graphic out of Final Destination, according to the camera, the driver was okay and only had minor injuries, miraculously. I guess you could say they got pole position. It seems like this officer must have failed pit training. That was a miserable attempt at one. Even if the pit was successful, 2 other cars would have been hit as well. A lose-lose type situation. I really dislike these unprotected lefts. The best course of action is to turn right and then U-turn to the opposite side when you only have to worry about traffic from one direction. Better safe than sorry, as always.
Yeah. Alright, bye.
Unfortunately, the camera was a victim of a hit and run here. It looks like the culprit's car had airbags go off as well if you look closely. If I had to guess, based on what the camera was seeing on his windshield, the sun must have been in that driver's eyes. Investing in proper sunglasses helps a lot. The driver blocked the entire intersection so he can make his turn and then had the audacity to honk back at everyone who was upset at his oblivious driving. Jersey drivers definitely hit different. The driver thought having a 4x4 would permit him to speed in the snow. Well, little did he know, black ice doesn't care how souped up the vehicle is. Even tanks slide on black ice.
Ooh, fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart. Oh. What? Did you see that?
The camera swung back to check out what was going on, and it seemed to have been a DUI arrest. Thankfully, the karma cop was positioned perfectly to take them off the road. That driver made too much of a wide turn, sideswiping the Cadillac. The camera stopped to help and provided dashcam footage. Apparently, that driver was freshly licensed. Do you think the camera was at fault here? I personally don't think so, as the other driver had ample room to back out and pull forward, but I'm curious what y'all think. I just realized the camera must have been of Asian descent, and this road rager who got worked up over a failed merge seemed to be taunting the eyes. Racist and a douche. It's a good thing the camera was where they were when the tow truck blew the stop sign and got some air. This could have been much worse. Definitely Duke of Hazzard vibes from this clip. The car decides to go straight instead of turning right and gets T-boned by the truck that was pulling the trailer. Where was he going anyway? There was no driveway there, more like an illegal U-turn. I find it a bit comical the camera came to a complete halt in this intersection during agreeing to lay on his horn non-stop and to block the car from completing the turn. The camera admits he was at fault here. While the two oblivious drivers stopped side by side instead of merging properly, the camera failed to stop in time and see what was ahead until it was too late.
Got rid of it. Yeah, I guess he is a busy little beaver.
According to my friend who drives that ever so often, apparently that merge lane is quite massive, but people pull this last second maneuver quite frequently. The SUV driver was trying to be polite and gave up the right of way, unknowingly causing a hazardous situation, followed by an accident.
Would you like to reply?
No.
Okay.
Red lights really are taken as recommendations these days, aren't they? I do miss turn signals as well. They're so rare here in Houston that they're almost extinct. If we're talking GTA scale, this driver had 3 stars on the wanted level. Maybe that downgraded to 2 since the officers were that far back. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.